There are about 5 billion people considered to be alive on the earth. 3 parts of this planet is water. 1 part of it is earth. But total planet is earth, which contains 3 parts of the water. This earth is called Matlok, where a man with consciousness shall born and shall die. Jo upjyo so bins hai. Those who are born shall die. Here, then question is, on other planets, there are souls in transparent subtle body. It is not that they do not know, they do not understand, and they do not relate to it. If you read Guru Nanak's Janam Sakhi, you will be surprised that Guru Nanak has gone to different khands, different loks, and has talked to those identities. Some of them were before here on the planet, some were not. Some are related to the planetary laws of the earth, some are not. But I'm not concerned with that. What I am telling you is that the entire existence of this planet and planets thereafter and the worlds thereafter and the star that is one sun with all these planets around it and the stars which have this star around it, whatever the science is saying it, is a part of infinity. It is an infinity. And what Guru Nanak has been talking and saying to us in one word, Ik Onkar, the entire creation, creation which is known, creation which is unknown, creation which is half known, creation which is 3/4 known, and creation which is totally known, doesn't matter, is all creation of one power. Ik Onkar. There is only one power. Now question is, your soul here has a body. There are souls everywhere which do not have body, they have transparent body, which ultimately your soul will transform into transparent body. It won't go alone. Transparent body is which collects your subtle intentions. There's nothing good, nothing bad, thinking make it so. Kirpa karo, mere gun augan na bacharo. Don't look at my merits and demerits. If we have few merits, we become so haughty, so egomaniac, so eccentric, that we think we are holier than thou. If we are silly, we have demerits, then we put ourselves in such a way that we don't. In both ways, in merits and demerits, we do not want to deal with anybody. A rich person will not like to deal with poor. A spiritually rich person will not like to deal with inferior rich people, spiritual people. Spirituality is also a sin. It separates you from common root. Exactly as wealth separates you from common root. If you become rich, you will not like to go to a poor man's house. I'll leave it. What he's going to do for me? Forget it. Avoid it. Guru Nanak established that he didn't go to Malakpago. He went to the most poor of all the poor, but most pure of all the pure.